This is Captain Tinsley, Salty Abandon, Salty Quickie. Here's a quickie on how to check the oil in an Island Packet 27. So you can get to the stick. There's the stick right there, but putting it back in is pretty much a nightmare. So this is my system. I keep a little roll of Velcro and I cut off a little piece, and when I reach down there, before I pull out the stick, I take off this plastic on the back and I stick it right next onto the engine, right next to the stick. Because when I go back to put that stick in, it's almost impossible to find the hole where it goes. But I can feel this. So that's what I do. I'm going to try to film this, but it's kind of hard to hold my phone and do this. So let me pause the camera. Okay, I've taken the plastic off the back of this Velcro, so it's sticky right here. And now I'm going to go in here. And before I take that out, right there, I'm going to stick this Velcro. I can't see it. I just have to feel it. And I got to make sure it's sticking. Because it's kind of, if it's wet or something, it's not going to stick. So there it is. We'll see if this works. Occasionally, it'll fall off. So the oil's looking good. It hasn't run in several days, probably about 2 weeks. So now I'm going to try to put it back in after I clean it off. Alright, let's see if this works. Notice I can't see anything now of where this thing is supposed to go. A wonderful design. It's a great engine, but let's see if there's the Velcro. I can feel it. And there is the hole. Okay. I came up with this. I'm going to go ahead and take the Velcro off because it'll fall off when the engine heats up. And there we go. I'll just throw this away. There have been times where I spent 20 minutes trying to get that stick back in there. And so it'll get a little messy here, but mission accomplished. I hope that helps somebody, because I had to do something, because there have been times where I spent I had to go get help. Literally, I paid somebody like 20 bucks, get this back in there. So that's how I do it. Hope that helps somebody.